Hi, today we will speak about one of the most appreciated options that can be embedded into the WaveArt FM DDS transmitter. Is the satellite receiver. Yes, a satellite receiver is a card that can be inserted into the transmitter, and with this card you can receive DVB-S S2. Not only the standard but also the very low symbol rate, and this satellite receiver can receive down to 100 kilosymbol per second. But the interesting thing is that as option you can have the receiver receiving also up to 32 APSK modulation scheme, and also the multi-stream can decode the PL scrambling. But this board can also receive the terrestrial signal of air, and in this case can repeat in FM a audio signal received from DVB-T, T2 or ISDBT. But not only this, the receiver can be also equipped with another board, and this is for the conditional access module. In this cam slot can be inserted to decrypt eventually encrypted signals. The transmitter can be equipped also with two receivers. The switching is not audible, based normally on the link margin of the two receivers. Another important feature is that the delay of the receiver can be adjusted. So, if you have to match the timing of another transmitter with a different satellite receiver, our receiver can adjust the delay of the decoding so to match with the other one already existing, and not having so problem when you switch between one car reception, let me say, to another due to the RDS commutation for the alternative frequencies. The last but not the least very important thing about this option is that WaveArt can supply also the MPEG encoder and the inserter into the transport stream for the satellite or for the terrestrial, including also the dynamic data of the RDS, so that through the satellite or terrestrial link you can also transmit and receive the data of the dynamic RDS, that is the RT+, and we can supply all the complete chain to obtain this result.
Now I show you how to set the transmitter according to receive the audio from the satellite receiver and transmit it. First of all, we move to Exciter and Audio, Setting, MPX baseband, and we set SAT DTTTS as audio. RDS in this moment is not important. We move to Input and we set the audio PID of the signal that we want to transmit. We save. We move to SAT Tuner, Setting. Here we can select the modulation standard, in this case is a satellite reception, DVB-S, but as you can see we can select also DVB-S2, DVB-T2, DVB-T and ISDBT as a terrestrial receiver. The LNB type, that can be universal or custom. The polarization, the LNB input frequency and the symbol rate. Under status, we can check if the signal is locked and the receiving levels and status. The two tuner can work on different satellites.
See you for the next fantastic feature of our WaveArt DDS FM transmitter.